Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The RBI has introduced new rules as per which these salaries will also be credited on Sundays and gazetted holidays. The RBI has declared that the bulk payment system National Automatic Clearing House (NACH) will be functional all days of the week starting from August 1, 2021. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das announced that this measure aims at enhancing consumer convenience. This step will help in bringing the processing duration shorter for salary credits, bill payments, insurance premiums and loan EMIs, which usually get delayed due to holidays. What is NACH? Let's understand. NACH facilitates one-to-many credit transfers such as payment of dividends, interest, salary and pension. It is operated by the National Payments Corp of India. It has become famous and one of the most prominent modes of direct benefit transfer to a large number of beneficiaries, the central bank noted. Currently, it is operational only on bank working days and hence auto debits are not processed during different kinds of holidays. The RBI governor said in order to further enhance customer convenience and to leverage the 24/7 availability of RTGS NACH, which is currently available on bank working days, is proposed to be made available on all days of the week effective from August 1, 2021. The RBI said in a statement, NACH is currently available only on the days when banks are functional. In the interest of customer convenience and to take advantage of the availability of RTGS on all days of the year, it is proposed to make available NACH on all days of the week throughout the year, effective August 1, 2021.
Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.